All right, welcome back to Bunny Barn Acres. Today we're going to do an oil change on the 2025 Polaris Ranger 1000. And this is what you need. So you can buy the oil in a kit, or you can buy your own oil. I like the kit because it's about $100 Canadian after taxes. A number 6 Allen wrench and an oil filter wrench. I'll show you where the oil filter is. So I'm on the passenger side. You just lift the seat, and right inside the seat, so you can see where the big battery is, and right here. Okay, so I like to put some rags here. Because she's gonna do that. I like to oil my gasket. That's highly recommended that you do. And I do that before I even drain out the machine, that way I don't forget it. All right, so we're gonna come under the machine. Just the 6 mil. Now I've already cracked this. There's a little bushing here. I know some people leave it on. I like to take it off, but I only take it on after. So I'll let it drain completely, and then I'll take it off, put the new bushing on, and then I'll put the drain plug back on. All right, so now we're gonna thread this on. Give that a little bit of a tightening, quarter turn. And your fill port's right here. You're gonna put 2.5 quarts in, which is exactly the amount they give you in the kit. PS4 oil or equivalent. And you'll feel it click, and now she's closed and ready to go. All right, well, now we'll start her up. Okay, so now we got the blinking light, the service light. So we're gonna reset that. Hold the mode button, go options. Clock, color, service hours, 100. Okay, so now she's reset. Now we'll hold the mode again. Your blinking is gone. And it'll remind you in another 100 hours. We'll let her heat up just a bit here, and then we're gonna go check the dipstick. Okay, so we're passenger backside, dump the box. And then the dipstick, kind of in a bad spot. But the dipstick is right here. Slap her back in there. And now let's check it. Almost looks like she could have used a hair more, eh? I'm gonna monitor that, but I put in exactly what the specs ask for. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope that was helpful. I'll be totally honest with you, when I first got the Ranger, I couldn't find the dipstick, but I finally found it. So now that you guys see it in my video, hopefully that helps. Take care.